In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT questioning to improve your conversations. If you want better conversations, better answers, and more meaningful exchanges, one of the most useful skills you can build is learning how to ask better questions. ChatGPT can be a great tool for practicing this skill and improving the way you communicate in professional, educational, and personal situations. Let's begin with asking better questions. The quality of the answer you get often depends on the quality of the question you ask. When your question is clear and specific, the response is usually more helpful and relevant. On the other hand, vague or overly broad requests can lead to generic answers that don't really solve your problem. Try to focus on one topic at a time so the conversation stays clear and easy to follow. Well-structured questions tend to create more meaningful discussions, and ChatGPT can even help you refine your wording if you're not sure how to ask something effectively. For example, instead of asking for general advice, you could say, "How can I improve my communication skills in professional meetings?" That gives the conversation a clear direction. Next, use follow-up questions to go deeper. A good conversation doesn't usually end after the first answer. Follow-up questions help you explore ideas in more detail, especially when something feels unclear or incomplete. They also encourage fuller explanations and more useful insights. This makes the discussion more engaging and productive, whether you're learning a new concept or solving a problem. A simple follow-up like, "Can you explain that concept with a real-world example?" can turn a basic answer into something much more practical and memorable. Another important technique is practicing active listening. This means paying close attention to what was said and responding in a way that shows interest and understanding. ChatGPT can help by generating thoughtful response ideas and by showing you how to ask open-ended questions that invite deeper conversation. Open-ended questions are especially useful because they encourage people to share more than just a yes or no answer. They help build stronger discussions and improve understanding through clarification and reflection. A helpful prompt here would be, "Give me 10 open-ended questions that encourage meaningful conversations." Finally, apply these questioning techniques every day. Use questions to learn, solve problems, and build stronger relationships. These skills can improve workplace communication, support learning, and make personal conversations more thoughtful and productive. Over time, asking better questions also strengthens critical thinking because it trains you to stay curious and explore ideas more deeply. A great practice prompt is, "Teach me questioning techniques used by great interviewers and communicators." The more intentionally you ask questions, the more valuable your conversations become.